let's talk about the outlook of the market and a couple of cryptos that we're actually interested in. So for this month, I believe Vechain, XRP, and LTC are actually going to be positive, and I do think Optimism, APT, and ApeCoin are actually going to be down. So that's Optimism, Aptos, and ApeCoin. Obviously, like Vechain with the Coinbase news, with the HVAC index listing news, is getting a lot of FOMO, and I don't think that's actually going to stop. I think it's going to slowly rise it up. Now, Coinbase hasn't really listed yet, and we don't really know when they're actually going to list it, but it's getting a lot of liquidity if that happens, and I do think that'll boost up its ecosystem. So the outlook for VET is up. The outlook for XRP, I think, is also positive. I think XRP has retraced decently nicely ever since like the giant lawsuit pump earlier in the quarter. And I do think like people are expecting a decent outcome in September for XRP, at least for the secondary markets. And I do think that's going to keep the market kind of boosted. XRP is going to be more stable than other coins. It might not go up as hard, but it won't fall as hard either. So I do believe XRP's prospects are generally up for basically this month. LTC's prospects, I think, are up as well. We saw it pump a little bit. We still have a month and a half before the halving. I wouldn't go all in on LTC because I don't really know when the halving is going to stop or turn backwards. But I think overall for July, LTC is probably going to be at least slightly up. I would definitely sell it like towards the end of July or beginning of August before the halving already happens because I do think it's going to fall afterwards. But LTC is actually up as well. OPT, Aptos, and ApeCoin are down, especially ApeCoin. I think ApeCoin is completely garbage. Bored Ape NFTs and Mutant Ape NFTs, their in terms of price, have fallen through the floor. They went down like 20-30%, and I think ApeCoin is going to follow them down. Optimism, Arbitrum, and ApeCoin have Optimism, Aptos, and ApeCoin all have unlocks coming out very soon, and that might actually drop it. So they have like combined more than $100 million worth of locks. So ApeCoin will see the largest increase in circulating supply of Ape, token at 4.23%. OPT and APT is going to increase by 3.75 and 2.17. That's a decent amount of unlocks, and I think that could possibly drop the price down. I think for Optimism, I think it should do fairly well, like in the longer run, mostly because it's a layer 2, and layer 2s are going to be pretty big. So an ApeCoin, I just probably wouldn't buy right now. The Bored Apes, Mutant Ape stuff, that's going straight down the drain. And I think ApeCoin's probably going to go down with them. Many people are saying that it was just a scam to make like the NFT holders money. And I probably definitely agree with them on that as well. So that's why my prospects of VET, XRP, and LTC are up. OPT, APT, ApeCoin are actually down. I think for the rest of them, like Cardano's probably going to do pretty well. I think Polygon, Cardano, and Solana have this thing hanging over them right now where like the SEC specifically mentioned those coins. But you know, the thing is, since the SEC is suing everyone, it might not matter all that much. And they've already been affected, so that's probably already priced in. But overall, I'm very bullish on VET, XRP, LTC, not so bullish on OPT, APT, and ApeCoin this month. So that's my news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.